Morning guys, how you doing? So there's a nice little weather window and I'm going to take the opportunity to head to the Lake District. We're going to do some hiking and hopefully catch some trout. But I've got to go and fill the car up first and a 6-hour journey. So let's go. Alright, that's the ticket done. Put it in the window. Let's get the stuff ready. Let's get going. Can't wait. Now I've got my breath back after blowing out my arse for the last hour. I can tell you the plan. So we're heading up to a little tarn up in the fells, which is basically a body of water high up in the mountains. And we're going to be camping there for 2 days, well 2 nights, 2 days, and going to be fishing for trout hopefully. So it's my dream fish, hopefully going to get to catch one this week. So that is the plan, and hopefully the weather will stay like this because it's absolutely beautiful. I might even get in for a swim, we'll see. I did bring my trunks or a towel, so we'll see how cold it is. But I think I've got about another 45 minutes to an hour hike up, and then I'll show you the tarn. I have camped there before about 3 years ago, but I've never fished there. And I hear there's perch and trout up there, so I want to give it a go on my new rod that I got for my birthday. So let's get on with this walk. There she is, guys, in the distance. Home sweet home for 2 nights. I don't normally stay for 2 nights in the same place, but I'm making an exception for this one because I really want to catch a trout and I don't want to come back a third time to try. I came here to Lake District 2 weeks ago to a different tarn, and all I caught was weed, so I'm really hoping I can catch a trout this weekend. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll go and find somewhere to set up, and I'll bring you back and show you the area in a better detail. Needed that. had a take. Probably a perch. I'm seeing them all over the lake, or the tarn. Just not getting any. Coming up to 11:30, guys, and I've been in the tent all morning. The wind has been quite strong up here, but everyone's disappeared. There's like 2 campers over the other side, they've gone, so I've got the whole tarn to myself. I've got the rod set up, and I'm going to get the spinner back on, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to head round the tarn as much as I can and just try and find out where the fish are, because obviously they weren't here last night. So hopefully we'll have a better session today than we did last night. So I'll get this set up and we'll get fishing, guys. Just try out here. This is like the front of where my tent is, so oh, take. Oh, I had a take. Oh. See if it comes back. No luck on the fishing front, so it's just coming up to 12, so it's lunchtime. I didn't bother having anything to eat this morning, so I'm definitely looking forward to something to eat. Even if I don't catch anything, it's not a wasted trip. How can it be with a beautiful view like this? Morning, guys. It's coming up to 9 o'clock. Slept quite well. Quite windy out this morning, so just staying inside the tent for a little while. Slept quite well though, so I think I'm going to start getting ready in a little while and get some breakfast. But you might be able to hear the wind at the moment, it's quite strong, but it's not supposed to be windy all day, so hopefully we can do a bit of fishing. Just got down from tarn. Yesterday and today was so gusty, couldn't film anything, so I packed up this morning, hiked down. Took me just over an hour to get down. Just driven into Glenridden to get some breakfast, and the plan today, before I head home, I'm going to head over to another tarn which is pretty close by. I think it's about half an hour drive, and I'm going to hopefully catch a fish there, because I couldn't really fish yesterday much with the wind. So I'm going to finish off my breakfast, wake up a little bit because I'm still tired. I had a good night's sleep actually, and then we'll get on the way to the other tarn. Alright. First cast. Let's go. Fish on, fish on. Yes, come on. Come on, come on. It's a, oh, it's a trout, it's a trout. Oh, it's a trout. Come on, come on. Yes, come on. Oh, it's a trout. Oh, oh, yes. I gotta be quick because I don't want to get him. Look at this beauty. Oh, look at him. My first ever trout. Look at this, boys. Yes. I'm gonna get him back in. He's a beautiful little fish. Oh. Come on, boy. There you go. When he's ready, he'll go. There he goes. Oh, yes, come on. First trout. Let's see if we can get some more. What a way to end the video, eh guys? I'm absolutely stoked that I caught my dream fish on my final day as well. Also met a subscriber up there. Dan, if you're watching, really good to chat to you, mate. Hope you caught more when I left. But apart from the 6-hour journey I've got to drive now, I'm absolutely buzzing. I'm really glad that I came to this location. But if you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe. That all helps. And until next time, see you later.